Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels with yogurt only way. Start by mixing self-rising flour with tangy plain yogurt to form a stiff dough, then knead briefly until smooth. Divide into even pieces, shape into rings, and rest for 10 minutes. Boil each bagel briefly to set the crust, then bake until golden and slightly glossy. Finish with seeds or salt while warm and enjoy chewy, tangy homemade bagels. Keep dough slightly sticky to yield a chewy interior. Avoid adding too much flour. Use gentle kneading and short rests to develop structure without overworking the yogurt dough. For flavor variations, stir in herbs, cheese, or cinnamon sugar for sweet options. When shaping, make tight seals so rings do not open in boiling. Salt water boil for 1 minute per side for denser crust or longer for crisper exterior. Serve warm with cream cheese or butter. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty. They feel premium and last ages. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more simple recipes you enjoy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair. Plus, great socks mean happier feet during long kneading sessions. I love keeping things comfy while baking. Now let's get back to the video. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle boil and add a tablespoon of sugar or honey to help crust color. Carefully lower bagels and boil 1 minute per side for classic chew or 2 for firmer crust. Transfer to a baking sheet, brush with egg wash for shine, and bake until deep golden at moderate heat. Cool on a rack briefly to set crumb before slicing. Enjoy with toppings you love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.